At Adnare, we turn innovative ideas into powerful custom software solutions, especially tailored for healthcare providers. It all starts with the concept. We collaborate with healthcare clients to identify needs, like automating insurance verification or integrating EHR systems. In discovery, we gather requirements, assess challenges like HIPAA compliance, and define goals for scalability and cost-effectiveness. Next, planning. We create a detailed roadmap, prioritizing features such as real-time data flow for medical practices or cloud-based tools for DevOps efficiency. This phase includes budgeting, timelines, and risk assessments to ensure on-time, within-budget delivery, Adnare's hallmark. Now, design. We craft user-friendly interfaces using tools like wireframes and prototypes. For healthcare, this means intuitive dashboards for RCM analytics or mobile apps for patient engagement. Accessibility and security are baked in from the start, focusing on seamless user experiences. Development brings it to life. Our experts use agile methodologies, coding in languages like Python or Java, and integrating APIs for system modernization. In healthcare, this could mean linking legacy systems with new cloud ops for real-time billing or AI-driven diagnostics, ensuring flexibility and innovation. Testing is crucial. We rigorously check for bugs, security vulnerabilities, and performance under real scenarios, like high-traffic RCM during peak hours. Compliance tests ensure HIPAA standards, and user feedback refines the product for reliability in critical healthcare environments. Finally, deployment. We launch the software with minimal downtime, provide training for your team, and offer ongoing maintenance. At Adnare, this includes DevOps automation for updates and cloud ops for scaling, ensuring your healthcare solution evolves with your business, from medical billing to full practice management. From concept to deployment, Adnare's Lifecycle delivers custom software that empowers healthcare providers with efficiency, security, and growth. Ready to transform your practice? Contact Adnare today, where quality meets innovation.